So here's the last AC that we have in our house. This one is a GE unit, so I guess it must have been sold at Walmart. I know that they sold GE stuff for a while. This one is about as old as the Maytag upstairs, so about 10 or so years. And this one is in just as poor shape. This vent thing won't adjust anymore, so I have a piece of paper wedges in it so that it stays in place. There's the outside of it. It's huge, and it's got a bunch of tar drippings on it from when we had the roof retard. We're actually going to replace this one at the end of the year because my dad's really sick of having to haul this thing in and out of the window every year. So we'll probably get one of those rollable ones. This one also doesn't work very well anymore. It stinks when you turn it on, so yeah. But I'll turn it on, and this thing is pretty noisy too. Listen. Here's the inside of it. It does have a pretty long spin down time. Keeps going and going. Whatever. So there you go. Thanks for watching.